Laura San Giacomo is an American actress. She played Cynthia in the film Sex, Lies, and Videotape, for which she won the Independent Spirit Award for Best Supporting Female, Kit Luca in the film Pretty Woman, Nadine Cross in The Stand, and Maya Gallo on the NBC sitcom Just Shoot Me, a BAFTA and two-time Golden Globe Award nominee. She also played the regular role of Rhetta Rodriguez on the TNT drama Saving Grace and the recurring role of Dr. Grace Confalone on the CBS drama NCIS. San Giacomo, an Italian-American, was born in West Orange, New Jersey, the daughter of Mary Jo and John San Giacomo, a paper mill owner. She grew up in Denville, New Jersey. San Giacomo discovered acting while attending Morris Knowles High School. In 1984, she received a fine arts degree, specializing in acting, from Carnegie Mellon School of Drama in Pittsburgh. After graduating, she moved to New York. San Giacomo then went on to appear in several theater productions, including the Gary Marshall Lowell Gans production of Wrong Turn at Lungfish in Los Angeles, the Princeton McCarter Theater production of Three Sisters, and Off-Broadway in Beirut. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.